जो ऑफ कोर्स नए दौर की टेक्नोलॉजी पर फोकस कर रही है, वहां पर बड़ा निवेश कर रही है। मैं बात कर रही हूं ग्रीव्स कॉटन की। ग्रीव्स कॉटन का मैनेजमेंट हमारे साथ जुड़ रहा है। मैं आपको याद दिला दूं, कंपनी ने बड़े पैमाने पर इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल बिजनेस पर दाव लगाया है। 2-3 कंपनियों का एक्विजिशन भी किया है और अब तमिलनाडु के रानीपेट में एक ईवी प्लांट में दरअसल कंपनी ने इन्वेस्ट किया है। मेरे साथ है कंपनी के ग्रुप एमडी और सीईओ नागेश पासनाहल्ली। नागेश जी, स्वागत है आपका सीएनबीसी आवाज पर। डिटेल्स अगर हमें दे पाए, आपने कल ही ये प्लांट इनॉग्रेट किया, इसकी कैपेसिटी कितनी है, कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है और इनिशियली कितनी कैपेसिटी पर कारोबार की शुरुआत होगी यहाँ पर प्रोडक्शन की इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स में?
धन्यवाद, थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी. So Ranipet plant that we inaugurated yesterday has an initial capacity of about 120,000 immediately. It will be ramped up to about 1 million units. And वो demand जो है, demand हमको as and when the demand is increasing, we will be ready. The capacity will not be a bottleneck. We can go up to 1 million units in this plant.
1 million units means 10 lakh units. So initially you're beginning with how many units to begin with?
About 1,20,000, so
okay.
roughly about 10,000 a month,
okay.
Because that is and between now and March, and then we will ramp it up ahead of the demand coming in, right, to about 1 million units. So we have set up the plant where the plant can ultimately produce 1 million units.
So are these primarily two-wheelers or both two-wheelers and three-wheelers that will be produced in this plant, sir?
Actually, in the Ranipet plant, we'll primarily produce two-wheelers. So this is a 30+ acre property that we just inaugurated yesterday. हमारा जो Hyderabad, Telangana में जो plant है, that's a 25 acre plot in Hyderabad that produces three-wheelers. So we will continue to do the three-wheeler out of Hyderabad.
तो इस समय मुझे नागेश जी बताइए कि ऑन ग्राउंड डिमांड में कितनी इंप्रूवमेंट है, क्योंकि जाहिर तौर पर हमने देखा है जिस तरह से ओला ने अपने बुकिंग डिटेल्स शेयर किए, दूसरी कंपनी और आपने जब एम्पियर की डिटेल्स शेयर किए थे, डिमांड है कितनी बढ़ रही है। एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली जो सबसे बड़ा चर्चा का मुद्दा है कि चार्जिंग स्टेशंस की स्थिति क्या है, वो इंफ्रा कैसे डेवलप होता देख रहे हैं आप?
Very good. Lot of questions. Let me take it one by one. So clearly, demand has been increasing. So आपको जैसा पता है, about 6 महीने के पहले FAME 2 subsidy जो increase हुआ था ना. Since the FAME 2 subsidy increase plus the local state subsidy, demand has been increasing. For example, we grew about 48%. H1 to H1, H122 to H121, right? Point number one. We sold about 7,500 EVs, right? In October alone, 1 month, right? We are seeing demand outstripping supply. Basically, so technically the demand has been robust based on some of these actions. Plus, as you are aware, fuel prices have been increasing too. So the economics you have, the unit economics in a two-wheeler and three-wheeler, especially in the two-wheeler, is becoming very, very noticeably different because fuel prices are higher, battery prices are coming down. I think electric vehicles are becoming more and more mainstream.
So what are the numbers that you're roughly expecting in terms of sales for Ampere, the two-wheeler, as well as your three-wheeler business in the coming quarters?
So what I will tell you is, as you know, future-looking numbers we don't normally provide. However, what I can tell you is kind of where it has been in the last 3 months, right? We've been kind of growing significantly, right? Month on month and year on year, right? And then when you look at it, last quarter, we did about roughly 12,000 units, right? Which was a significant increase over the previous year. And last month, we did about 7,500 in 1 month. So when you look at the trend, right, and the demand, like I said, is exceeding supply. So the trend line looks positive, both for two-wheeler and three-wheeler. I will also tell you one of the challenges, supply chain, because you must have heard of the global chip shortage. Supply chain challenges do exist for all of us. So managing the supply chain, bringing in our technical supply chain capability from the green side, And now with the production being there, we aim to satisfy more and more of the demand. One of the things that we have done is we just launched one more new product, Magnus EX. So that's just hitting the showrooms. That is the extended range. So I think we will continue to work on getting the right products to the consumer, understanding the consumer, right? So that when a housewife has to take a child to a school or a B2B person has to carry cargo, we give them uninterrupted journey. That has been our goal.
Yeah, I can hear you very well, Mr. Nagesh. Finally, I would like to understand as to what is the kind of investment that you have planned in your EV business, and what percentage of revenues would largely EVs be generating for Greaves Cotton in the coming years?
Yeah, so if you look at the last quarter, roughly about 24-25%, roughly about a quarter of our revenue came from Greaves Electric Mobility.
Okay.
And Greaves Electric Mobility, like at the outset you said, through 4 acquisitions in the last 3 years, which we have two-wheeler Ampere, Ely, which is our e-rickshaw brand, which is growing in the north, and the MLR Auto, right? So we have 3 unique brands under the Greaves Electric Mobility. And the capex so far, we've invested about 300 crores. Plus, as part of the MOU with the Tamil Nadu government on manufacturing capex, we have announced about 700 crores over 10 years. So we will continue to invest in this. We will continue to invest in products and technologies, because in this business, I think it is important to continue. But again, like a responsible partner, we will continue to make sure that the bringing out the products that the customer wants and the customer likes. That's what has been the strength of Magnus, and that's what we will focus.
मिस्टर नागेश, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे लिए समय निकाल कर डिटेल में बातचीत करने के लिए। ग्रीव्स कॉटन आपका स्टॉक आज करीब 3% ऊपर कारोबार कर रहा है। मूड खरीदारी का डेफिनेटली बना है और बड़ा निवेश कंपनी कर रही है। 25% तक का रेवेन्यू इनका इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल मोबिलिटी या फिर इलेक्ट्रिक मोबिलिटी के बिजनेस से आता है, और जिस तरह से डिमांड बढ़ रही है और कंपनी जो निवेश कर रही है, यहाँ पर और भी बढ़त के आसार साफ हैं। स्टॉक आपके सामने 160 पर। गाबा साहब, ग्रीव्स कॉटन एक टेक चेक दीजिए, फिर ब्रेक की तरफ बढ़ेंगे।
बिल्कुल, ग्रीव्स कॉटन मुझे लगता है कि अप मूव ऑन है, थोड़ा स्ट्रेच है, लेकिन अप मूव ऑन है। हो सकता है 180 पे देखें, लेकिन इसे ब्रेकआउट की जरूरत पड़ेगी। लेकिन अप मूव ऑन है, किसी के अगर पास है तो 150 का स्टॉप लगाकर होल्ड कर सकते हैं, 180 तक जा सकते हैं।
180 की तैयारी कर रहा है काउंटर, ट्रेड ले रहे हैं तो आप प्लीज 150 के आसपास स्टॉप लॉस लगाएं।